Hey everyone, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. And if you're new here, I'd like to say hi and welcome. Today we are doing another DIY Make It Your Own Monday video. And for this one, we are making a spice drawer organizer. I have new bottles to use for my spices, and my husband and I are going to make a very simple spice organizer. So keep watching. So this is a set that I think you can get on Amazon, and it comes 14 to a box, and I believe these are 6 ounces. That they're used for spices. They're glass, so that's perfect for what I was looking for. And they come with the round lid labels and also a clear label that you can put on the front. And if they don't have the spices listed in these stickers, there's a few blank ones that you can write on and make your own. And since we've been redoing the kitchen, I've been wanting to do a spice drawer because it just keeps it a little bit more organized, and you can see which spices you have and which ones you're running out of. So I thought these glass ones were perfect. And I've been looking at the spice drawer organizers, which are kind of ridiculously expensive from the ones I've seen. So my husband and I decided to make our own. And these spices come with a like a measuring conversion chart, and also it comes with a silicone funnel, and it works really well because it doesn't cling to the side like some of the plastic ones that I've used, and it's really simple to use. It collapses down flat too. Also, what you can do just to stay a little bit more organized, on the back of the spice jars, you can take a paint pen or a Sharpie, whatever you have, and write the expiration date on the back, just so you can toss them when they get old or if they don't get used up. And we used a 1/4 inch plywood and also 3/4 inch for the back, and that's just so that you can glue and nail the 1/4 inch to it. And what we did was just measured the drawer, and it's going to be different for everybody, and then measured the height that we wanted. And then my husband cut that, and then he also cut a slant on the back of the 3/4 inch wood, just so that it lays flat on the bottom. And this is the slant that my husband had cut on the bottom so that it's going to sit flat in the drawer. So after you make the cuts that you want to the right measurements to fit your drawer, you're just going to want to run a bead of wood glue across the top of the 3/4 inch piece of wood and attach the 1/4 inch top piece. And then you're going to want to put in a few nails just to secure it. I did 3 along the top, and that seemed to work just fine. Gonna order another set of these spice jars because I wanna fill this whole second row of the organizer. And here it is all finished. Like I said, I'm going to probably paint it white in a couple days or whatever. I might just leave it, I'm not sure, but I really like how it turned out. I think it's gonna work out great, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you're going to tackle this project yourself. And thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration or motivation to get organized, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!